Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to create this effect of a man running from one scene into another, as if he is running from the past into the future. First we will open a page. We will go to Elements and type in Running. We filter it to show only photos. We will choose this image. Click it and it will be placed on the page. Next we will adjust the image to how we want it to be. This looks good. We will go to Elements and type in Gradients. We shall choose this and click it. Adjust it to the middle of the image like this. We will duplicate it a few times and adjust it this way. We can also go to Elements and add a rectangle for the end part. Fill the space and change the color to white. Group it together. Next we open another page and this time we go to Elements and type in Futuristic Street. We will choose this one. Adjust it to the page. Go to the previous gradient, copy and paste it to this page. Flip it and adjust to about the same position as the previous page. Now we have to download these. Ensure that it is PNG and download the first one. Next we download the second page. Upload both to Canva. Now place the futuristic image on a new page and adjust it. Next place the one with the man running. Adjust the transparency to about 50%. Download this image as before, making sure it's in the PNG format. Upload it to Canva. Open a new page and place that image on the page. Click it and go to Edit Image. Adjust the brightness and other options to how you would like. Bring up the image of the running man again and remove the background. Once the background is removed, copy and paste it to the previous image. Adjust it carefully. And there it is. I hope you like this, and if you did, please do share, like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.